This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Open house Saturday, July 9th from 12 to 3. Stunning views of Mount Street, Helens and city lights. Beautiful Jotaba floors and kitchen west/high ceilings, 2 fireplaces, walls of windows. Potential for adult car west/lower level west/2 ND living quarters. Perfect for multi-generational living. Garage has bonus room above. LG area for parking RV, S and cars. Heated 40 by 36 shop, 12 a door. Marketable timber.Can be cleared for horses. 4 tax lots, price to sell. Hard to find a property like this at this price. Total acreage is 19.85 acres. For more information, review the details below.